Warning, what you're about to see may cause extreme cravings. We're talking crispy, fiery, flavour-loaded chicken that hits all the right spots. Let's make some chicken hot and crispy. Start with 500 grams of boneless chicken. In a bowl or plate, add the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Adjust to your spice preference. A drizzle of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili oil, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, one teaspoon onion granules, 1 teaspoon garlic granules. Now mix everything well. Make sure each piece of chicken is fully coated in the marinade. Let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes so the flavours can soak in. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon onion granules, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Mix thoroughly to create your flavourful dry coating. In a pan, add some chopped onions, a square block of butter, around 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon ketchup, a drizzle of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, a dash of chili sauce, a pinch of crushed red chili. Let it simmer on low heat while you move on to frying. Take the marinated chicken pieces and coat them one by one in the flour mixture. Press each piece gently to make sure it's fully coated for that crispy crust. Heat oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated chicken pieces into the oil. Fry until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Once cooked, remove the chicken and let the excess oil drain using a strainer or paper towels. Transfer the hot fried chicken to a large mixing bowl. Pour the prepared sauce over the top and gently toss or shake the bowl to coat each piece evenly. And there you have it, crispy, juicy, spicy, and packed with flavour. Chicken hot and crispy is ready to serve. Just look at that glaze. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Thanks for watching.